Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to enhance the contact list with AI within Google Sheets. So I have the email, but I want to guess the possible name, company name, and country. Okay, so my email is, for example, Ahmed at kit.co.uk. Okay, for this purpose, I am using the GPT for Sheets extension. You can get this from the add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. It will look like this GPT for Sheets. So set the API key, and you can find the video on the same channel how to get the OpenAI API key, and you will find the process method to get the API key. Just register and get this and use here. So after this I have selected the model GPT 3.5 Turbo. Right here is equal to GPT, and in inverted commas type read this and back with the name of the person. Okay, add a colon, and after the inverted comma add a single comma and select the cell and close the bracket. You can also use here is equal to GPT. Same process. Read this and back with only company name, colon, single comma, and select this. Close the bracket. Again, use this one, GPT, and read this back with the country name of the person, a colon, comma, and select the email, close email. Okay, it's fetching or generating the Ahmed from the United Kingdom, but we need only the United Kingdom. Then you can read this and back with the country, the only country name of the person. There you can see it's generating. So although you can do this manually, but for a large list, you can just drag the formula, select all the three columns and drag this formula. So let's try some plus at programming.com, plus at google.in, at yahoo.ml. Okay, let's select this and drag. Here you can see it's fetching the company names. So no country name, so it's unable to get the company name or guess the company name from the email because the domain is domain has the general extension .com. So same here, but it has guessed the name. So we need only the name. Read this and back with the only the name. Same here, only the name. Okay, now you can. I think you understand how to enhance your list based on only the emails. So it's the simple process. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.